In this video, I'm gonna use ChatGPT to make a passive income and make money from it. And for this method, it requires only to copy and paste. And not only that, but it's also 100% free and you can start it right away. Make sure you watch the whole video to the end because I'm gonna go step by step so you don't miss anything. And this is a method that you can literally make it just after you finish watching this video and start generating some income. The first step that you need to do is go to chat.openai.com to open ChatGPT panel. And basically that is an AI that can answer your questions. At first I'm gonna make an example and ask a question. So in the chat box down below I'm typing how to make money online. Then in a matter of seconds, ChatGPT is giving me an answer with 6 bullet points on how you can make money online. And ChatGPT can answer many other questions, and the first thing that we're gonna learn is how to ask a proper questions so that we can get the answer that we're looking for. And one of the answers that ChatGPT is giving me is writing and selling an ebook. And that is exactly what we're gonna do today, even if you don't have any experience doing that before. So I'm typing my second question, which is make me a list of popular categories of non-fiction books. And that is because I don't want to create something that is not popular and that is not gonna be selling. And now I have a 15 most popular categories of non-fiction books, and if you don't find anything that is fitting your liking, you can always ask for more. And now that we're having the 15 most popular non-fiction books, the next step is to pick one of the categories. And for example, I'm gonna pick health and wellness. Then I highlight this category and I copy it. Then I go down to the typing box and then I'm asking ChatGPT what are the subtopics and I'm pasting that. In my case is health and wellness. And after a few seconds going by, I'm getting some answer. And now I can pick one of the subtopics and make the book about it. As you can see, I'm having a nutrition and diet, exercise, fitness, mental health, and so on. So after taking a look of everything, I decided to make a book about the first one, which is nutrition and diet. So I'm copying the whole topic and I'm going to ask another question, which is write me an outline for a book on, and I'm pasting that. Now I'm having an answer with 5 bullet points and 18 chapters. And this will be our first 2 pages of the ebook. Now we need to find a place where we can start writing our ebook. The next step is going to Google and typing Google Docs, or you can directly go to docs.google.com. And this should be the next window that you're seeing. To create a new one, just click the plus sign, and here is where you can start writing down. So I'm going back to ChatGPT, I'm copying my last answer with all the bullet points and the chapters, and then pasting it in Google Docs. In some cases, if you paste it here, you're gonna see this background, and that is because ChatGPT default settings is on dark mode. So you want to click on light mode, copy it again, and then paste it again on Google Docs. And now your first 2 pages are ready, which is the introduction of the book. And now we need to start making the chapters. So I'm gonna go on the top of the introduction, I'm gonna copy the first chapter, I'm gonna copy it, and I'm gonna go down on the chat box. And then I'm gonna write me a chapter, and then I'm gonna paste it. And now ChatGPT is gonna give me the script for the first chapter, and after a few seconds when it's ready, I can read it. If it's shorter, I can ask for more details about it, but in my case it's good enough, so I'm copying the whole thing. I'm going to Google Docs again, and just right under the other, I'm pasting it. Now to continue making the book, you want to go back on ChatGPT, copy the second chapter, and write the same question, and this time paste this chapter. Afterwards, ChatGPT is gonna give you an answer, and you wanna copy that answer and paste it in the Google Docs again. I'm not gonna waste your time in doing the whole book. Basically, you need to copy every chapter and write the same question, then paste the answers in the Google Docs. When you're done with your ebook, you want to go to File, Downloads, and save it as PDF. And now I'm gonna answer on one of the most valuable questions, and that is after you make your ebook, which is right here. Where should you publish that online? Do you have to pay some monthly subscriptions in order to publish it somewhere? And the answer is no. There is a website that I'm about to show you where it is 100% free to publish your ebooks and other digital products. Now when you're having your ebook ready as a PDF file, you want to go to Google and type Gumroad. The first result should be their website, so you want to click on there. And this is the main page they're having. And in order to publish your ebook or digital product, you need to make a registration. It is super easy and I'm not gonna go in details about that. I'm simply gonna use my login Facebook account. You just need to confirm your email, that's it. And a little bit more info about this website is that Gumroad is charging just 10% of your sales. That means if you put your ebook on $10, they're gonna keep 1 and you're gonna receive $9 of net profit. Next step is to select create your first product. And then you will be redirected to this page. As you can see, there's an option for an ebook, also other digital products, courses, newsletter, memberships, and so on. On the top of this page you want to put the name of your ebook or what it's all about. Little bit down you can see the price. I'm setting mine on $5. Then you can press next. The first thing that it wants you to do is make a description about the book, and we're gonna use ChatGPT again to get that answer. So I'm writing, write me a short description about the health and weight loss. After a few seconds I got that description, and I can highlight it, copy it, and paste it on the description on the website. Moving down further in this website is that we can see that we're having URL. If you want you can copy it and promote it on other platforms. Just under that you're having a cover. You can use your own picture or use theirs. For the cover I'm gonna use some of mine. I'm gonna leave this one for the cover. But if you're not having any, you can use Gumroad Gallery and upload something from theirs, just like what I'm gonna be using for the thumbnail. The next step is the thumbnail. I'm selecting Unsplash and I'm typing diet, and I'm picking a picture from my thumbnail. I'm gonna select this one. Further down we can see another option, which is summary. We can write down something about the book. So I'm using ChatGPT again. I'm saying write me a short summary about health and weight loss. And as you're familiar, in just a few seconds I'm getting an answer for that. I'm highlighting it and then copying it and I'm pasting it in the summary box. On the right side you can see a preview how your book is gonna look like. You can see your title, your price, the description, the summary, and the cover. After you double check that everything is fine with it, and then the next step is to select on publish. And if you want to maximize the amount that you'll be generating every month, I strongly suggest you watch this video right here. I'm showing 5 amazing ideas in ChatGPT on ways that you can make money online. Also don't forget to leave a like if this video was helpful, subscribe for more, and see you in the next one.